Hello, my name is Neil Tatman. I work for Rolls-Royce as the company's fellow in digital manufacturing. During my 36 years with Rolls-Royce, I've seen some significant changes in technology, and none more so than the field of digital capabilities in how we operate our business, whether this be our own products or the day-to-day operations of running our own factories and a global supply chain. Digitisation will continue to transform manufacturing beyond recognition and achieve a step change in industrial productivity. However, it's still early days, and many of the challenges associated with the adoption and deployment of solutions for legacy factories are still blocking the UK from grasping the opportunity and taking a leading position. Rolls-Royce has taken its own journey to smart factories and Industry 4. Over the last 2 decades, we've invested heavily in standardisation and more increasingly levels of automation. Whereas some of our newest factories, fully adaptive processes can now be seen as part of an integrated capability in everyday manufacturing operations. In parallel, there has been development of IT and systems in manufacturing at Rolls-Royce. This is referred to as minimum standards, which is set out to describe the underpinning infrastructure for managing and controlling the products and processes, while also collecting data from those parts and processes. It is this approach to our minimum standards which has provided the essential foundation for our ongoing journey, but a journey that is far from over. The World Manufacturing Forum sees a different model for manufacturing in 20 to 30 years, and in Rolls-Royce we have a shared ambition and our vision for developing digital manufacturing technologies. This includes capabilities such as cognitive manufacturing, which is smart and optimised, allowing manufacturing as a service in the cloud. Global risk resilient manufacturing, which will adjust value chains and strategies as risks change. Circular manufacturing, which will reuse materials and resources. And importantly, rapid and agile manufacturing across a globally distributed supply chain, which will respond to changing markets and needs. However, to realise just a small percentage of this future vision, there needs to be a step change in the way that government, industry, and key technology vendors collaborate. Arguably, no one country, let alone a single company, can deliver the full portfolio of capabilities needed. This needs to be addressed at sector level. The commoditisation of this technology domain is essential for the landscape to ultimately become both predictable and cost economic. This requires digitisation at a scale that industry can afford to deploy in their factories, and if we're to achieve the productivity we need for the UK to remain a world power in manufacturing. Competitors are actively working with their governments in an effort to lead in this digitisation race. We cannot continue to deliberate. The UK genuinely has an opportunity to take the lead here globally if we choose to do so. But this will require new ways of working and, more importantly, new levels of collaboration. Part of this solution are forums such as ADS Aerospace 4.0 Special Interest Group. Please come and look at what we're doing. More importantly, please consider joining the team and understand how you too can contribute. Thank you for your time.